Rebound by number 3. To number 23. Forever Young, no good. Rebound by number 3 again. To his mate. Binasa sa gitna. Number 28, wala. Na intercepted in number 3. 2 points. By number 3. Forever Young. Number 7 to number 9. Number 24, Tinira. Wala. Jump ball. Okay. Blades, Forever Young ball. Number 20. To number 3, Deep 3. Wala. Nagaw ng 24. Pinasa na sa kanyang kakampi. Number 7. Pumasok. 2 points. Number 20. To 23. No good.
Patanggal muna kayo muna kay Baklan ni pare. Nakabakon ka ba? Ikaw o si pare? Nakabakon. Patanggal mo. Hindi rin narinig. Dilakasan mo. Sa cellphone niya, sa cellphone.
No, wala.
I-volume mo yung cellphone mo. Cellphone mo, i-volume mo. Hindi rin naririnig eh. Yung cellphone mo, i-volume mo. Hindi rin naririnig.
Wala na ito. Dalawa ba? Dalawa.
Yung pala. Akala ko itong ano mo, gamit mo. Akala ko itong malaki. Yung pala. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. 5-2 in favor of Still Young. Forever Young, Forever Young. Yung mic. Yung mic mo. May ano ba dyan? Ito mic mo. No, pinatay ko. Hindi aamot. Hindi naman nakamusik eh. Parang ano ka lang, pag-mic lang to. Favor of Forever. 5-all. Deadlock.
Last 5 minutes.
Siya, mic lang yung gumagana. 9-7, Batangas Blaze, 9-7.
Welcome mo, Mari.
Ayun, yung sa 9-all.
Parang ano,
Ay cambio Bebo eh. 9-11, forever young.
Good, good.
11-all.
number 1.
Deadlock.
Number 1 out. Blades 13 foul.
Boy, boy. Mula ka, boy. Oh. Kaya play, kaya play.
Yes sir, by 2 points.
14-11, favor of forever young.
Si Baya.
Time out to sir, bali.
Tiempo minuto.
Time out. Batangas Blades.
Harap keras. Salim. Kasta puting.
Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. 50 seconds remaining time. Time to shoot. Last 40 seconds. 40 seconds remaining time. 40 seconds.
Bagong buhay.
Bagong buhay.
Oo.
Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds.
Sahabat kalbu patulog.
Last 20 seconds. 20 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And of first quarter, 17-11, forever young. 17. Second quarter. 22-13, forever young. 22-13. Dagon. Sob.
Cambio.
First.
First. 10 to shoot. 9, 8.
Takbo. 22-20 in favor of Forever Young.
To shoot. Last 5 minutes. To shoot.
Yan. Gracias. 22-20 Forever Young. Nambol. Dito.
Last 4 minutes.
Cambio, tiempo. Torres no saka
Last 4 minutes.
24-23 Forever Young. Salah yan.
Pasagat.
Foul number 23. 20.
Cambio. Boss, mali.
Last 3 minutes.
(26-23) Forever Young.
1 minute and 3 minutes.
Gulat mo naman kasi.
Ba't ako ng balot eh? Parang pinakulot mo, no?
Takina parang gising lang eh.
Parang ka naging 17 years old.
Ano yan? Putang.
Magkano pa kulot? Magkano pa kulot?
Ano, kortartas lahat na Thursday.
Kang!
Hindi ko pinakulayan.
Okay, naboy! Ibigsa!
Seconds.
Bigyan yung likod. Bigyan yung likod nyo.
Samtang yung number 2. Ito. Ito. Ba't number 2 yan?
One minute 25.
28-27 is still in favor of Forever Young.
Habol! Patay. Thank you, sir.
Cut.
Tayo!
Diyan na, mga kulay.
Sige. Let's na.
Cambio.
Teacher. Sasab. Ayaw. Doon! Hati! Hoy! Rep!
Last 35 seconds.
Tatibat!
20 seconds. 15 seconds. 28. Last 12 seconds.
Penalty!
32-27 Forever Young.
Balik. Tingnan mo. Ay!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
End of second quarter. 32-29 in favor Forever.
24, dribble the ball. Tinira. Salah. Rebound. Outside. Blue ball. Jim dribble the ball. Pass to outside. Laga. Tuloy lang. Best friend, dribble the ball. Pass to number 23, naagaw. Diniretso. Baldog ang inabot. Best friend, dribble the ball. Tinira. 10 second shot clock. 9, 8.
Nice!
2 points by Sherry. 28 na puwersa, tinira ni Pai.
Sala. Sadap. Pass to Alvarez. Tinira. Sala. Bebo ay cambio, ¿vale? Bay, dribble the ball. Pinasa. Sala na naman. Na-rebound ni Bay. Number 23. No good. Jim dribble the ball.
Ayaw yan! Wala yan!
2 points.
Normal pa rin yan.
Dead ball, dead ball. Good shot by number 45.
34-33. Favor of Forever Young.
Ilaw, pass to Alvarez. Sadap for 3. Sala. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Oh, tingnan mo. Si Alvarez. Oh, yan. Oh.
Rosales, binitbitan. Ang iyabang ng takbo. Fresh from Philippines. Shout out, Mr. Men in Black. Time left, 6 minutes and 23 seconds. Ay cambio, Bebo.
Nice.
2 points by Kuya Ilaw.
Pero may kutsilyo ko siya.
Naagaw. Baliwala. Number 23 dribble the ball. Tinira. 3 points by number 23.
37 all. 37.
Number 7 G.
Subla!
Dinerecho. 2 points by G.
39-37. Batangas Blades.
Score 39-37. Favor of Batangas.
Deadlock again. Deadlock.
Deadlock tayo.
Nice game. Nice game.
Ang lakas ni Rosales. Salang-alang.
Baba mo na. Tatlo.
Sala na rebound ni 28. 23 dribble the ball. Pinasa kay Bay. Nasundutan.
Tres mo.
Jim dribble the ball to right. Foul by number no good. First free throw by Jim, no good. Second pro. Yes, by Jim, number 7. By dribble the ball.
Tanong ko yung second game, di yung last game. Tanongin eh.
Pinasa.
Baka ka.
9 seconds. 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Naagaw ni number. Pasa kay Bay. To right. Sala na naman, Bay. Nawala na yung swerte mo.
Umiga pa si Ero.
Ayan! Ang lupit mo, Kuya Cesar! Makaka-steal pa si Kuya Cesar.
Baka talaga mga
Number 15, dribble the ball. Hinampas si Kuya Cesar. Op, double dribble.
Yung kanina, double yung muli.
Dribble the ball. Nataranta si Bay, naagawan ni G.
Subla!
2 points by G. Number 28.
42-39 in favor of Batangas Blades.
Time left, 1 minute and 53 seconds. Nagsosolo si Jim. Yun lang ang nangyari. Ang malas. Foul.
Second game. Wala pa nakikita.
Reps up! 45.
Ay cambio, Bebo.
Sino? Ay cambio?
Ay cambio.
Si Bibiama.
In falta?
15.
Personal foul sa foul.
Per number 15, first personal.
Sorry.
Number 10, Sala. Rebound ni Pare. Second game, Cabudel versus Bilao. Wala pa akong nakikita. Jim for 2. Good shot by Jim. 37 seconds. 33. 10-second shot na. 21 seconds. 13 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang galing mo, Mr. Rosales, fresh from Batangas.
47-40, Batangas Blades.
Out of bounds.
Tignan ko lang yung mobile ko sa
Pass to number 6. Number 6, Serapay. Pass to number 20. Still by number. Pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number.
Tapos ano, igano mo na lang, tapos manok ka.
Number 7. Still by number 15. Number 15 attack. 2 times by number 15. Number 6, Serapay. Number 6, pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 25. Number 25, Punggol Andres. No good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15, Jill. Number 15, still by number 20. Pass to number 28. Number 28, 2 points. Score 51-42 in favor of Blades. Still by number 20. Attack. No good. Rebound by number 28. Number 28. No good. Time remaining 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 1. Pass to number 14. Number 14, wala. Rebound by number 10.
Number 2.
Cambio.
Bebo ay cambio, vale? Black by number. Two shots by number 20. Cambio. Pasok ang mapasok, labas ang lalabas. Cambio, Bebo, cambio. Pasok.
Patay na.
First shot, no good.
Iiyot yan.
Paano, hindi masambo.
Second shot, no good again. Rebound by number 20. Still by number 14. Number 14, pass to number 7. Number 7, Serapay. Pass to number 15. Number 15, pass to number 14. Tumira na, buwan ng foul. Foul number 23. Number 23, first personal foul, first team foul. Time remaining 7 minutes and 15 seconds. 2 shots by number 14.
Kalaban tayo eh. Vamos, Bibiama.
First throw, no good.
Tok, alam mo na anong gawin mo?
No good again. Rebound by number 1. Number 1.
Ay, Santos.
No good. Rebound ulit niya. 2 points by number 1. Inbound by number 20.
Yan mo.
Cambio, ay cambio kayo, mabali.
Wala!
Number 10,
Wala!
pass number 7, tumira ng 3, wala, rebound by number 10. Number 10, nagmamadali. Number 10. Number 10, attack. No good, rebound by number 25, fake. Pass to number 23. Number 23, no good, rebound by number 7. Debo ay cambio, vale? Number 7, foul.
Cambio.
Foul number 25. Number 25. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Gawa ng malito eh.
Tok! Huli mo yung... Ano? Wala, si Jeremy Scadden. Gulo na lang ito. Tira mo tawag! Tira mo!
Number 15, Anthony Ram, no good. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 10. No good.
Bay, di na boxing ha?
Number 7, Sarah Blay. Pass to number 10. Number 10, 2 points.
Tulog, salis ka sa klito eh.
Number 10. Number 10 attack. Pass to number 3. Number 3, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 15.
Huwag pa sa karin mula, huwag pa sa iskarte.
Pass to number 7. Number 7, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10, nagmamadali. Number 10. Pass to number 3. Number 3, tumira ulit ng 3. Wala na naman. Rebound by number 23. Pass to number 10. Number 10, no good. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Cambio. Time out. Tempo. Time out. Forever Young. Nawalang forever. Time remaining 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Official score 55-42 in favor of Blades.
Hide your conversations. You're already pero meron Pilipino. Basta pag libre, diskarte, walang risk naman tayo. Libre dito. Masarap, libre nga eh.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 10, 15 to shoot. Who's my rep? Number 20. Number 20. Warning for graduate. Third team foul.
55-42, Batangas Blades. 55-42.
Ako pa pinalis.
Rebound by number, pass to number 3. Number 3, 2 points. He scored 56-44 in favor of Blades.
44-56. Batangas Blades.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 7. Number 7, set up play. Pass to number 9. Number 9, tumira ng 3. Wala, patay ang burikit. Pass to number 3. Who's foul? Number 9, How?
Warning. Second team foul. Warning, second team foul.
Number 9, warning for graduate. Second team foul. Number 28. Attack, no good. Rebound by number 20. Number 20. Basket is good. Number 45.
First personal foul, third team foul.
Number 45, first personal foul, third team foul. Bonus shot by number 20. Huwag ka kagad susugod. Number 7. Number 7, 7-8. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Pass to number 10. Time 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Basket is good. Time remaining exactly 3 minutes. Pass to number 28.
58
Number 3, fake. Pass to number 23. Time remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 7. Pass to number 7. Number 7. 10 to shoot. 9, 8. Foul. Number 3. Number 3, second personal foul, warning for penalty. Time remaining 2 minutes and 29 seconds. 3 points by number 10.
Yung second game, wala yata.
Number 10. Ang second game natin, mag-ready na po kayo.
Kabudel.
Kabudel versus Torresno. Bilao.
Kabudel nila.
Second game, mag-ready na kayo. Kabudel versus Bilao. Number 20, no good, rebound by number 28. No good again, rebound by number 20 again. Pass to number 10. Number 10, step back. No good. Rebound by number 28. Number 28, 2 points. Ay cambio Bebo, Balin. Time remaining 1 minute and 42 seconds. Official score, 61-48.
61-48, Batangas Blades.
Relax, concentración.
In favor of Batangas Blades. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Tuloy yan. Ay cambio. Second game, Kabudel versus Bilao. Mag-ready na kayo.
Parang wala.
1 minute lang daw. 1 minute lang.
Exactly 1 minute.
Masama yung Carday.
15 to shoot.
Bukaya po sa.
Basket is good.
Bilas. Pasok ka, baka mahabol pa. Nakapular siya, nakaspanya siya.
45 seconds. 38 seconds.
Tira lang.
30 seconds. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds.
Okay, labas ka na.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Final score 64-50.
64-50 in winner by Batangas Blades.
Batangas Blades 64-50.
Ah, 15 minutos, ¿por qué no hay nadie?